Right now on Facebook, you are being targeted by hundreds, perhaps even thousands of advertisers. But how are they targeting you? And how can you influence the way they target to not only see more adverts that you want to see or see less that you don't want to see, but also to ensure that you're getting exactly the results you want from your Facebook campaigns? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make money online, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know that you want more information just like this. Or also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We post brand new money-making information each and every day. And if you've got any questions for me, comment below. I'll answer it personally for you. With that being said, let's get into it. One thing that I have started to do is to optimize my Facebook settings to make sure that I see certain adverts. So as I'm thinking about going into a new marketplace, I will go and look at the particular advertisers in that marketplace and look at what they're using to target, and then from that I will optimize my own Facebook account so that I can see more of their ads, so that I can stalk them on Facebook. Okay, so I wanted to show you how to do that, and I also wanted to show you how to see for yourself what information Facebook is using to provide to advertisers about you and what you're doing. Okay, so there's two ways of seeing this data. The first way is very, very simple, but doesn't give you much information. Okay, so, and that is on any advert. So you know it's an advert because it says sponsored at the top. You click on the three dots, and why am I seeing this ad? So now I can see some of the things they're using to target me specifically on Facebook. Okay, so they're targeting people who speak English, who live in Portugal, who are over 40. Okay, well, that's okay, but doesn't really give me much information that would help me make decisions about how I could target on Facebook, or indeed if I was looking to get more adverts like that. Okay, so to do that, we need to go a little bit deeper into Facebook. You might want to do this with me as I'm going through it. Okay, so pull up your Facebook account, and you just need to be on your main Facebook page in your feed. Okay, and then over on the top right hand side, the little drop down menu there, you can see settings and privacy. Click on that, and then from there you want to go to, now look how many clicks away this is. They do not want you to see this. So settings and privacy, settings, cool, okay. Now you want to come down to ads, great. Then you want to go to add settings, great. And now you want to come down to categories used to reach you, insane. So that's some stuff. And then you want to go to other categories. Oops, sorry. You want to go to interest categories, my apologies. And then click on see all. Now, all of these are things that Facebook has said I am interested in. Okay, so simulation games, British Grand Prix, vodka, don't know why I got that idea, card games, toys, things like that. Okay, pet foods, coffee, all of those things Facebook has said I can be targeted on any of those kind of things. Okay, you might want to go and think about what that means for you and your privacy first and foremost, but also if you're interested in hacking your way into that so you can target more people like yourself, for instance, you can get that information here. Finally, the way I use it as well is if there's something in here that I don't want to get shown anymore, or I want to get shown more of, then I can alter it directly here. Okay, I can alter it directly here. So I did not choose these. Just to be clear, this is what Facebook has made assumptions about me based on where I am, who I interact with, the proximity as well of those interactions, and also the things I comment about on my feed. Okay, so whether that's commenting on other pages, on other people's posts, or my own posts as well. Okay, this is not me saying I like Lewis Hamilton, for instance. That's not a like that I've done, for instance. Okay, AC/DC the same. TV game shows, mystery fiction. Okay, I haven't liked specifically any of that. Look how many there are. There's literally hundreds of them. Okay, so you can alter this. You can remove things, make it so that you're getting seen the things that are important to you. And as I said, I use it so that when I'm going and doing research, I want to see all the advertisers in my feed. Like, that's what I want to see in my feed. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 Australian e-commerce professionals who sell things on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and our own, of course, websites as well. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do, with sales of over $50 million, you may want to come along and check out www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au to find out more and join us. With that being said, I'll see you there next time.